What's up guys, how you doing? It's your girl Ivy and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, karibu sana, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, today I'm preparing dinner for family, and I thought I should bring you with me so that we can prepare this dinner raka time isitupate, because I think right now it's at almost 7 and we do not have dinner beyond 7, so nimechelewa kidogo. We all normally have dinner at around 7-6:30, so leo nimechelewa, my bad. But yeah, and I just wanted to show you how I do make my dinners and how I cook. And so today we always have a timetable, so today I'll be making fried vegetable rice with chicken stew. We were to have beef stew, but I thought we're taking too much beef, so why shouldn't we have like chicken? And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I do my chicken. And yeah, so if you see, so let's get to this video guys, and please give this video a thumbs up before nianze, and subscribe to my channel tafadhali, and comment na share tafadhali. Let's grow together now. Yeah, so let's get to this video. So guys, for the mixed rice, I told you I already have boiled rice. It's already boiled. I boiled it like 2 hours ago ndio ikuwe mzuri ya kufanya hiyo fried rice. And niko na chicken hapa, it's a full one, haijakatwa, so msini judge because me with kuku kukata I try. So and for the mixed rice, to start with the mixed rice first, I have the yellow half, zote ni half. The peppers, the green bell peppers, zote kuna yellow, red na green. I use them all for stir frying the rice. And then niko na pia carrots, 3 carrots. I have minji, niko nazo for your rice. And I use turmeric, and I use paprika. Okay, paprika necessarily you can't use it for, okay, I normally recommend sometimes for food. Paprika is nice, inapatianga the food the nice touch, you know. And yeah, hizo ndio ni za hiyo rice. Alafu for the chicken, I use your chicken cut into pieces, then I fry my chicken. I don't like boiled chicken, sijui kwa nini. Maybe I think when I take boiled chicken inanipatianga that taste ya chicken ikona. And for the chicken, I'll have the chicken, I'll fry it, then you know kukaanga lazima kuna kitunguu. So kitunguu mbili. I once watched Diana Marua's channel and she said kitunguu inaleta ladha kwa chakula. So yeah, it's true, kitunguu. So I took 2 onions, and then nyanya, tomatoes. I confuse a lot tomatoes and potatoes. No confused, yani I don't know, but yeah. So hizi tomatoes nachukua mbili, then I blend them isiache hizo particles. So let's guys, so tuanze. And then to spice it all up, I have a glass of water to nikiendelea na kupika, you know, I get thirsty. And so yes, this is called glass of water. It helps me going. Sina like guys, wacha tuanze. So guys, first thing I nakata nini kuku, then do ni fry while I'm preparing the other ingredients.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
So yes guys, I'm already done with the chicken. It's now frying. If you can hear that noise of oil, it's frying. Now fry your chicken to be golden brown. I don't put any seasoning on it, so I just fry it kawaida. Then easy, they're already washed. So you take unazikata into small cubes.
Still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but
so everything about my rice is ready. The easy budget, finely sliced. Ninjingoi, carrots, and mixture hizo green bell peppers. So yes, tuanze kupika hii rice haraka haraka before nimezwe. Junajua kuna watu wako na njaa. So yeah, let's get cooking guys. So I'm going to put in the carrots. Nimewasha gas already, so my gas is on. So I'll put in the carrots. Alafu, my chicken is already ready, so let's see. Guys, that's what I'm talking about.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stories like I don't already know. You're good. about it, I already know. Cause every time you talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stories like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. Talk about it, I already know. Cause every time you talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stories like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. I can't feel your heart. Cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. Shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can't feel your vibration. 'Cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I feel the vibe shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I'm tired of fighting with my own heart. It's just a constant battle. I keep losing from the start. Strip away the sorrows and take away the pain. When I wake up in the morning, it'll all just be the same. Staring up at the moon never looks so bright. Just hope that someone else's eyes are shining half as much as mine. Tonight the world is pitch black, and I can't see the love in front of me. So I'll sit back and wait for the man that I wanna be. On the other side, there's a glowing light that just waits to guide me home. When the world is pitch black and it's hard to see the light. I'm tired of fighting with my own heart. I can feel your heart racing. 'Cause everybody knows.